Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to draw Charmander. Let's start to make the rough sketch. Create basic shapes of the Charmander. It's okay if you make it a little bit messy. That's why it's called rough sketch. Then, we continue to make the details. Make sure that the proportion of the character is correct, such as head size, belly size, eye size, etc. You can erase some unnecessary line to see clearer. Don't forget to copy-paste the eye, so that you can work faster. Make sure to make the final check of your rough sketch. After that, change your rough sketch layer's opacity to 40%. It will help you to see clearer. While making the line art, you can correct the wrong proportion of the character. My tips is, don't be shy to create another layer for another shape that's stacked, so that you can erase some part faster. You can always merge it later, and use any brush you like. No one will forbid you from doing everything you like. Create the fire in different layer. We will use layer blending mode later. Make the final check of the line art. I found that the cheek is too chubby, so lower down the opacity to 40% and create another layer. You can always merge it later. Now the line art is perfect, let's continue to color it. Make the line art layer as reference, so that you can drop the base color inside it in the new layer. Create new layer below the line art. Drop the base color of Charmander. Then, create a new layer above the base color layer and set it as clipping mask. Add the darker color, so that your character looks more alive. One thing you must concern is where the light will come from. After the shadow is done, create another new layer for the highlight as a finishing touch. Now we fill the fire with yellow and orange. Then, copy-paste the layer. Change the blending mode to add. To make it glow, blur it to 10% with Gaussian blur mode. And delete the fire line art layer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and learning. And see you in the next video.